Hi everyone, I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys. So I picked up these containers. I am recording right now a tutorial on making these into an embellishment book. And I went last week and they had a ton of red, and this week I only found one, and then I had to get the rest in gold. So I should have known better with Valentine's Day that these little gift boxes were going to sell out. So I should have picked them all up then. But I thought, oh, there's a ton. I can get it later. But boy, oh, was I wrong with that. So I'm glad that I went because they didn't have that many gold ones. I think I left 2. And let's see. Easter, I got these little golden eggs right here. I still have a whole box of Easter stuff right here in the garage that I need to record and share with you guys, and I'm still finding it in my store, so that's the good thing. My store keeps restocking Easter, surprisingly, where I feel like at Valentine's Day, whatever was out and gone, where Easter they keep restocking, so that's pretty good. So I found these golden eggs. The kids love getting the golden eggs, and it's funny because they always go for the gold eggs, but I don't put money in the gold ones because I know that they fight over the gold ones. So I put money in the random eggs, but they still fight for the gold ones. They are so weird. They haven't learned yet that I don't put money in those. The other one I found, like, look at how cute these are. Can you see these? These are little chickie faces. How adorable are these? So I got a pack for the kids, and then I got a pack for crafting. There are 4 pieces in here. So I got those. I found some little Happy Easter towels. So I had my mom cut these in half, and then she crochets a handle with a little loop so it could go over the oven handle. So I think I got 2 of those. Yeah. So I got those. And then I saw Craft Purge say it, and I've seen other people showing their stores that they're increasing the price. So I get the foam tape from there. So I wanted to grab it before it went up. Some guy on YouTube was talking about how it's going to go up to like $1.50. And I'm like, oh, no. So I grabbed foam tape. They didn't have that much. I even wanted to get like more foam tape squares. And I did not even see those at all. So, oh man, I got to go check out another location so I can get my little squares before they stock up. I should go look on Temu and see what they have for prices. Okay, you guys, these are so stinking cute. Look, one's a little bunny and one's a little carrot. How adorable are these? I'm like dying. I hope they will fit on an ATC size card because I would love to use it for that. You get 6 in here. I grabbed 2 of those. I just thought they were so cute. I had to have them. And then I like hanging up like a little flag out in the front yard. So I got this one that says welcome gnome with the little gnomey homie. So cute and perfect for like springtime. So we've had a lot of rain in California over the last couple of weeks that we even had major flooding here in my city. And my flowers, like my bulbs, are in full bloom right now. It's way too early. We're only in February and they shouldn't be blooming already, but they already are. I think it's all the rain. And then it's weird. So like it rains and then it's hot and then it's like rain. So like yesterday was 80, you guys. It's so weird. Oh, crazy weather. Mother Nature. Okay. These are so stinking cute. Again, after I was like paying, I'm like, I wonder if I should look on Temu for these. Look at how cute. So there's the small pack that has 2. And this says that it's like 10.8 ounces. So stinking cute. And then there was a larger set. I got 2 of those. Oh, somehow I grabbed 3. I didn't mean to grab 3. Okay, well, you know what? I'm going to use these for a swap. So then I can use those up. And then I got 2 of the larger one. These are 31 ounce bags. And then the larger one only comes with 1. These are so pretty. I love them. They're so cute. So because they are reusable food bags, you can wash these and reuse them. I love this. I love the thickness of this as well. So I was thinking about putting like some of my travel products in those. Love those. Okay, so with all the rain we've been having, Sunny Boy and I need to like go pull up like weeds and just like random nastiness that's like growing in the front yard. So I had to get us some gloves. I literally had a 3-pack of gloves in my cart for Walmart that I was going to place a pickup order. And it was $10. And they look exactly like this. They might be a little bit better quality. But I'm like, for $10 for 3, where I got these for what, $2.50? This is a way, way better deal. So I'm hoping that these will fit Sunny's hands. I'm pretty sure they'll fit mine. So I got 2 gloves so we could go pull out some weeds. Okay, I haven't done an Easter project in so long, but I really want to. Like I've been saying, I'm trying to like kind of organize my stash. A lot of it's just getting like boxed up that I want to take out to the shed. Just like I need it out and I need space, and then I feel like I can like pull a box every week and then like work on it. So I really want to do an Easter. I did find a pack of Easter paper, so I'm like, okay, that's like enough to do like a whole project. So I got these because I have an idea to create something. Hopefully it'll work out. So it's like just little feetsies, and these are in blue. There was also a pink one, but you guys know I'm not a huge fan of pink, so I went with the blue one. And now looking at it, I should look for a better one, because I'm like, look at down here, like look at the big old gap over there. Yeah, I should have got a better pack. So I got that and the little bunny ear headband to do a whole little craft project. So I'll do a video on that. And then these are adorables. Sunny and I love these. They're just so cute. So I found one up at the cash register. I think it only comes with one though. So it's kind of better when you buy the pack of these, because you definitely get more. Oh, we have one of the fairies. Is this one Merryweather? I never remember who is who. But if you open this up, it'll tell you like if it's rare or not. Hey, where's she at? Oh my gosh, I want Lucifer, you guys. So my mom's car, we named Lucifer. So when we first got it, Sunny Boy named him Bruno, and then it had just like a temporary plate on there. I didn't realize that the plate, the metal plate that they mail you, was going to be a different number. So when we got our car, there's a whole like story time behind that, but when we got our car, it ends in 666, which I didn't like. I waited like an hour and a half at the DMV saying that I wanted a different plate. And they're like, sure, but you would have to pay for it. I'm like, I just bought the car and I just paid for plates. Like, why do I have to buy another one? And they're like, because you can't swap it out. So we ended up naming the car Bruno Lucifer because of that. So I would love to get it. So we've been like joking about it, like, okay, you know, it's not like the evil car, you know, we just have to like make it like a little Lucifer here. So what's the time to call the car Lucifer? But I know we might be a bunch of psychos naming our cars, but we do. Anyways, oh, there's Maleficent. I would love that one. So here it is. Oh, I was right. It is Merryweather. Oh, so she's a common one. Anyways, that's my whole little dumb rant on our car. But yeah, so I would love the little Lucifer because I would definitely like glue it to the car dashboard. Oh, look, there's a little piggy too. Okay, back to the haul. Sorry, guys. You guys know my little mind goes and I go off on these little talkings. Okay, I have not seen these before. I don't know if they're new this year or if they were out last year. I might even have these in my stash from last year and I just don't remember. I haven't found my Easter box yet. But I was like, these are adorable. I have to get them. I'm hoping that I have a large enough pom-pom that I could put over the tail. So I definitely want to paint these. Definitely want to add like some little glitter, I think, to like the little toesies and the foot of the pad. I think would be really cute. And then I was thinking about turning it into kind of like a memory dex. I have the memory dex punched again somewhere, but I think I know where it is. And I would love to make a couple like little memory decks out of these. Maybe put it, you know, like as a focal point of like a little embellishment box or something. So I just thought these were super adorable. So I grabbed 2 because I wanted to make sure that I had enough just in case. And then I found these cutest little socks. You guys, look at how soft and fuzzy the little white part is. So stinking cute. I love me some character socks. Like anytime I see like any of these, like I just love them. So I had to get these. And afterwards, when I was in line, I saw the St. Patrick's Day ones. And I'm like, oh my gosh, do I have those? Do I not have those? I can't remember. So I didn't want to get out of line. The line was so long and I had already waited so long that I didn't get out of line. But next time I go, I'm going to go definitely look for them. Oh my gosh. And they had the cutest yellow Tupperware. So I looked at the little display, and that's actually where I got these towels from. Isn't this so cute with like the old truck with all the little flowers, and then this is Bloom. So I got these towels from that display, but not again until I was in line did I see that all the way on the bottom shelf, and they were like pushed to the back. So standing up, it looked empty down there that I didn't even crouch down and pay attention. So not until I was further away did I see that they had the cutest little Tupperwares. They were like round Tupperwares that had lemon all the way around with a little top. Oh my gosh, so adorable that I want to go back and get those as well. But like I said, I was just over being in there that I was like, let me just get out of here. So they may or may not be there next time I go, and that's okay, because honestly, do I need it? No, but they're just so cute that I thought, you know, let me just grab them because they'd be adorable, but next time. So anyways, that's our little haul for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.